This recording is designed for deep relaxation. Please only listen in a safe, quiet environment where you can comfortably close your eyes. Never listen while driving or operating machinery. Have you ever felt like you're living under a cold, high-powered lens, where every move you make, every decision, every word, or even your silence feels like it's being watched, measured and judged? When you're under that kind of scrutiny, it feels like being pinned to a glass slide, completely exposed, with a blinding focused light shining right down on you. And under that extreme zoom, every tiny flaw, every small mistake, or every subtle wave of self-doubt feels magnified 1,000 times. Just notice how much energy it takes just trying to brace yourself under that gaze. Holding your breath, tightening your shoulders, trying so hard to be flawless just to stay safe. But the thing about a microscope is that its focus is unnaturally tight. It zeroes in on one tiny, isolated detail and completely misses everything else around it. So right now, take a deep, slow breath, and as you exhale, imagine that heavy lens beginning to pull back, moving away from you. As the focus zooms out, watch that cold, harsh spot beam soften and spread out. The blinding glare diffuses into a gentle, warm, ambient light, filling the entire space around you. Notice how the glass slide beneath you simply dissolves. You are no longer pinned in place. You are grounded, free, and fully able to move. Feel your shoulders drop as your lungs find their full natural rhythm. The intense pressure of being examined just melts away into the open space. As the view opens up, a much bigger picture is revealed, a wider, richer field of vision. And from here you can simply observe, without attachment and without judgment. And I wonder, can you allow yourself to rise even higher, drifting smoothly upward to gain an even wider, open perspective? Take in everything from this higher vantage point. Notice how, as you rise, the view stretches out to the horizon, and the higher you go, the more beautifully insignificant those tiny details really become. When our focus is narrow, everything feels personal, heavy, and insular. But from up here, there is only expansiveness. A quiet space where you can perceive the beauty, the calm, and the quiet interconnectedness of everything. Where those things that felt so bothersome before simply lose their weight. They are no longer that important. You can just float here for a moment, breathing in this vast, quiet space. You don't need to hide, and you don't need to be perfect to belong in any space you walk into. Whenever you feel that intense glare coming back, take a quiet breath. Let the focus widen. Let yourself rise up and just let yourself be here now.